Morning everyone. Today I'm going to share about virtual learning with you all. Let's go. Virtual learning is a teaching activity which is carried out by online, whereby the teachers and students are physically separated. The two main things for virtual learning is your computer and your internet connection. Actually, why these virtual learnings are happens? They got three reasons to be explained. The first reason is when the teachers or lecturers are far away from their students. Most probably, they got some teachers or lecturers are going to overseas for their personal works or personal things to do. So during that times, they will use virtual learning to teach their students. The second thing is pandemic times. During pandemic times, teachers and students can't be able to meet physically because they have to maintain their distance for avoid the virus from this spread. So they use the virtual learning to help their students to study. The third thing is when during the holidays. During the holidays, students are be able to communicate with their teachers by the virtual learning because they got some of the teachers are really wanted to do extra classes for their students. We think about the advantages of virtual learning. The first advantage of the virtual learning is we can save our time, money, and energy. Why do I say so? This is because whenever we communicate with our teachers by the virtual learning, it's actually help us to save our time from the movement. Whenever we move from our house to school, it will be take time and will be take our energy because we move from a place to another place, so it will be able to make the teachers and the students to be tired. When they use the virtual learning, they be able to save their time, energy. If we see by the money wise, the money will be saved because of they don't have movement from a place to another place, such as petrol, and then the paperwork, because virtual learning they contain the notes inside the computer, so we don't have to spoil our money for buy extra papers or extra somethings or for photostat, something like that. Then the students and the teachers could be able to improve their ICT skills. Why do I say so? This is because whenever the teachers and the students are used to be use the computer and the internet sources to explore their notes and their knowledges, they be able to learn many things about the ICT skills, and then they be able to improve their writing, typing, learning skills also. On the other side, let we think about the disadvantages of virtual learning. Firstly, virtual learning will be affect our eyes. This is because whenever we learn something from the virtual learning, we have to face our computer. Whenever we have face our computer for the long time, it will be give damages to our eyes. Then the second thing is visual learning is actually can be able to made at the students which they have the connection of internet and computer only. The poor students will be not be able to join in the virtual learning. The third thing is visual learning is actually is not same as the face to face learning. This is because whenever they got clashes in internet, the students may be not be able to hear clearly the points or the knowledge that actually the lecturers or the teachers want to give to them. In conclusion, even though they got many disadvantages, we have to be focused on the advantages. So, what do you waiting for? Let's use this grateful platform to gain more knowledge from our teachers and lecturers. That's all for today, guys. So, meet you soon with another topic. Thank you.